Want to take your car's audio to the next level? A car audio amplifier boosts your sound system, delivering deeper bass, clearer highs, and distortion-free music. Today, we're counting down the top 10 car audio amplifiers on Amazon, from budget-friendly options to high-performance powerhouses. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car audio and tech gadgets. At number 1 we have Boss Audio Systems our 1100 NK Car Amplifier. 30-port speaker wire, 20 featuring 8 GA red power cable, 16 featuring 18 GA blue turn-on wire, 3 featuring 8 GA black ground cable, competition quality fuse holder with AGU fuse. Class A amplifiers have enormous amount of current flowing through its output transistors with no audio signal. Class B amplifiers have no current flowing through its outputs with no audio signal. A MOSFET is an electrical switch that allows the flow of electrical current. It controls the output voltage and current precisely by removing the output current sensing loss and eliminating all secondary feedback circuitry. Subwoofers reproduce sound based on a number of different low-range frequencies. You can set exact sound specifications for the bass frequency reproduction. Wiring kit: continued ring terminals, 6 featuring split loom tubing, 3 rubber grommets. At number 2 we have Pyle 2-channel car stereo amplifier. The Pyle dual-channel car amplifier is perfect for your vehicle's sound system. Gives you up to 1,400 watts bridgeable output. Features switchable bass boost, variable gain control, configurable electronic crossover network. The RCA ports are gold-plated for eliminating signal loss. A subsonic filter allows low-end interference to be cut so your speakers will always deliver the highest quality audio. Features switchable bass boost, low-level inputs. The MOSFET pulse width modulation power supply allows for a clean, distortion-free signal to your compact speakers, providing you with crisp and clear audio for an outstanding music experience. Also features anti-thump turn-on. To keep both your car and the stereo amp safe, this model is equipped with thermal, overload and short-circuit protection. This box amp's small size makes installation a breeze. You'll have no trouble finding a spot for this little yet powerful device. At number 3 we have Boss PV 3700 5-channel car stereo amplifier. Shift your music into gear with the Boss Audio PV 3700 5-channel Class AB full-range amplifier. This powerful 2-ohm stable amplifier features 3,700 watts max power with a MOSFET power supply for better performance to get your vehicle rocking. Metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistors quickly switch from full to non-conduction for high-efficiency output. Combine the channels of a 2- or 4-channel amplifier to provide a dramatic increase in power output. 2-ohm stable comfortably powers speakers or subwoofers when in use at 2 ohms, resulting in more power and volume. Variable bass boost allows you to adjust the low bass within the boost range to just the way you like it. Variable low-pass filter gives you control over the frequencies that pass through to the subwoofer. At number 4 we have Skar Audio Monoblock Class D MOSFET Amplifier. Skar Audio engineered the RP1200.1D Class D monoblock subwoofer amplifier to be dominant in both power and reliability compared to anything else on the market in its class. The RP1200.1D is 1-ohm stable and utilizes a wide array premium internal components that make it extremely powerful and reliable, such as its high-speed MOSFET power supply and advanced PCB board layout. Conservatively rated at 1,200 watts RMS power at a 1-ohm load, with the capabilities of reaching beyond 1,600 watts at max power output. Furthermore, the oversized 4-gauge power and ground terminal sound on the amplifier allow for maximum current flow and therefore higher power output and more efficient operation. You'll have full reign over your amplifier with the built-in user control panel, featuring a bass EQ switch, 0, +6, +12 decibels, and variable adjustment tunings for gain level, low-pass filter, and subsonic filter. At number 5 we have Boss Audio Systems Series 4-channel car amplifier. Get clear sound on the trails with the Boss Audio Systems our 1004 4-channel Class AB amplifier. With 400 watts max power and MOSFET power supply, this 2-ohm amplifier gives your music a boost. Metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistors quickly switch from full to non-conduction for high-efficiency output. Our Class A/B amplifiers feature specific linear circuitry that increases sound quality and power output while reducing distortion and improving efficiency. 2-ohm stable comfortably powers speakers or subwoofers when in use at 2 ohms, resulting in more power and volume. The variable input control allows the amplifier input to match the output signal from the head unit to achieve optimum performance when adjusted properly. At number 6 we have Taramps 400 watts RMS 4 channels car audio amplifier. The Taramps TS line has multi-channel amplifiers, being full-range amplifiers with 4 channels, and are also amplifiers with high power and cost benefit. The TS 400x4 has 400 watts RMS at 2 ohms. As a versatile multi-channel amplifier, this powerful amplifier offers the flexibility of bridged connections. This multi-channel amplifier features 4 channels with 100 watts RMS each, 400 watts RMS total, and also with LED indicator and short-circuit protection. The positive/negative power cable is 11 AWG, the output cable's wire gauge is 15 AWG, the remote cable is 18 AWG, the circuit breaker or fuse is 20 A. Perfect for various car audio setups, this perfect amplifier comes equipped with a fixed crossover, input/output settings and a precise level control. At number 7 we have Pyle 2-channel car stereo amplifier, 2000 watts high power. The Pyle dual-channel car amplifier is perfect for your vehicle's sound system. Gives you up to 2000 watts bridgeable output. Features switchable bass boost, variable gain control, configurable electronic crossover network. The RCA ports are silver-plated for eliminating signal loss. The subsonic filter allows low-end interference to be cut so your speakers will always deliver the highest quality audio. He MOSFET pulse width modulation power supply allows for a clean distortion-free signal to your compact speakers, providing you with crisp and clear audio for an outstanding music experience. Also features pulse width modulation system. To keep both your car and the stereo amp safe, this model is equipped with thermal, overload and short-circuit protection. At number 8 we have Pioneer 2-channel bridgeable car amplifier. 2-channel Class AB amp, elevate your car audio with the Pioneer GM-A3702 2-channel amp, delivering louder and clearer sound. Unleash increased power, transforming your listening experience beyond the limitations of a traditional radio. Maximum power output, power up your music. The GM-A3702 cranks out a strong 500 watts of max power output, creating dynamic and impactful sound reproduction, with 60 watts RMS X2 at 2 ohms, 190 watts RMS X1 in bridged mode. The Pioneer GM-A3702 boasts a Class AB design, balancing efficiency and performance, ensuring optimal power usage for a reliable audio experience without excessive heat generation. With minimized crossover distortion, this amplifier guarantees a clean and distortion-free audio output, preserving the integrity of the source signal for high-quality sound reproduction. At number 9 we have Boss Class D Monoblock Car Amplifier. Feel the bass with the Boss Audio AR3000D Class D Monoblock Car Amplifier. With 3000 watts max power and MOSFET power supply, this amplifier offers both stability and power. Metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistors quickly switch from full to non-conduction for high-efficiency output. Low-level inputs accept preamp output signals to allow for the addition of amps and processors to units equipped with RCA preamp outputs. Automatic shutoff protects the amplifier if it gets too hot or if speakers fail, causing a short. A wired remote lets you easily control the subwoofer level for customized output and superior sound. At number 10 we have Blaupunkt 1500 watts 4-channel, full-range amplifier. The Blaupunkt 1500 watts 4-channel, full-range amplifier, AMP 1504, embodies over 90 years of innovation and excellence in Blaupunkt products, making it the perfect amplifier to install into your motor vehicle. With an optimized 150-watt RMS output and a max power output of 1,500 watts, you can give your music a huge boost in power that will have you and your passengers partying while on the road. This slim amplifier fits perfectly into any trunk so you can easily connect it to your stereo system. Get amped up for the Blaupunkt 1500 watts 4-channel, full-range amplifier, AMP 1504, and take your car to the next level.